New day, new wheel. Hello guys! Another quick update from Wheels and Toys. We have another walk-in client. Galing pa siya from Rizal. Dumayo ng Tondo to purchase Enduro 27 na color blue. After i-quality check ni Kuya Hill, ready na tong ma-release from the shop. Once again, taos puso po kami nagpapasalamat sa tiwala sa Wheels and Toys.